Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the car and phone. Turn on the CRV accessory power and open the infotainment settings. Enable Bluetooth and location on your phone. Next, launch Google Maps so permissions can be granted when prompted, and connect the USB cable to the car's port if using wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once done, accept pairing requests on both devices and follow prompts to allow contacts, notifications, and map data. This gets the system talking and ready for navigation. After the initial handshake, select Android Auto or CarPlay on the CRV display. The phone may show a confirmation screen. Tap OK. Make sure Google Maps has location, microphone, and notification permissions so voice directions and hands-free search work. Then adjust audio routing so navigation prompts play through the car speakers, and choose Google Maps as the default navigation app if prompted. Once configured, test a short route to confirm voice guidance, rerouting, and touch responses are functioning properly. Finish by running a live navigation test. Request a nearby route and confirm voice prompts, map updates, and ETA are accurate. If the connection fails, first reboot your phone and the CRV infotainment system, then reconnect. This often clears cached Bluetooth or USB faults. If problems persist, swap to a known good USB cable, check for phone or Honda system updates, and reset network settings as a last step. One key tip: confirm Google Maps background location permission. Without it, direction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.